Coach Tim Cone pinasalamatan si LA Tenorio matapos ang pinakita nitong never say die attitude kagabi kalaban ng San Miguel Bearmen sa Game 6 ng semifinals. Napasabi na lang nga si Coach Tim na miracles do happen daw. Masaya naman nga si LA Tenorio matapos ang kanyang heroic game para mag-force ng Game 7. Sinabi nito na hindi pa daw siya ready magbakasyon. Nanalo nga kagabi ang Barangay Ginebra sa isang thriller game kontra sa San Miguel Bearmen sa Game 6 ng semifinals sa final score na 88-87. Pinakita nga ng Ginebra ang kanilang never say die attitude na pinangunahan ng kanilang captain at leader na si LA Tenorio na nagkaroon ng epic performance sa crunch time para makuha nila ang panalo. Masaya nga itong si Coach Tim at pinasalamatan si Tenorio sa kanyang pinakita para i-guide ang Ginebra at para ma-extend pang series na ito.
You know, miracles do happen, and you know, we were grasping for straws out there all game long. You know, we turned to our veteran, our leader, and he made the big plays down the stretch. It's something we haven't been able to do in this series. But, you know, just LA's presence out there just allowed us to make big plays down the stretch, and obviously the big shot. But it was a lot more than just that big shot. There was plays before that he kept us in the game. And
bukod nga kay LA Tenorio ay grateful din nga si Coach Tim sa crowd ng Ginebra na hindi sila iniwan hanggang dulo at patuloy daw ang kanilang malakas na pag-cheer kahit na nawawala na sa kanilang momentum down the stretch.
You know, also the crowd never gave up on us. You know, we were down and we'd make a little bit of a run, the crowd would go crazy, and then they'd go on their run, and then we'd make a little bit of a run, the crowd would go crazy again. It just, they wouldn't let us quit. You know, the crowd wouldn't let us quit. And
nakapagtala nga si LA Tenorio ng 11 points sa kanyang perfect 3 out of 3 shooting sa 3-point line kasama itong kanyang game-winning 3-pointer sa late seconds ng Game 6 para ibigay sa Ginebra ang panalo at mag-force ng Game 7. Sinabi naman nga ni LA Tenorio sa kanyang post-game interview na miracle din daw ang nangyari at grateful din nga siya na pinagkatiwalaan siya ni Coach Tim down the stretch. Hindi naman nga binigo ni LA si Coach Tim kung saan pinakita ulit nito ang never say die attitude ng Barangay Ginebra. Dagdag pa niya na hindi pa daw siya ready magbakasyon kaya naman ginawa nga niya ang lahat para tulungan ang kanyang team para ma-extend pa ang series na ito.
What Coach Tim said, no, miracles do happen. No? Not only in this game but I mean, in my personal life, I truly believe in that. That's why every time I step in the court, I'll try to make something happen. As a leader of the team, I think for more than matagal na taon na, I really need to be, you know, on point on everything that I have to do. Doesn't matter if it is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. I have to be a role model to them. So just like for this game, you know, I was really ready not to go home and have a vacation, long vacation.